Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce to you this September 2019 Aston Martin Vantage, finished in divine red. Let's take a look around the car. So if you're not familiar with divine red, it's a beautiful, dark, deep, rich metallic, which really comes to life as the sun hits it. You can probably already see as we look at it from different angles, the colour changes completely. So it can look extremely dark in some lights, and then the red jumps out if we're in direct sunlight. So a beautiful, elegant colour. This is an interesting spec car. So the first thing you might notice from the rear is that it's got a white rear diffuser. That is actually part of a film protection pack, so it could be taken off, and underneath it's gloss black. But to show up some of the really interesting features of the car, the previous owners decided to, whilst protecting it, to change the colour of a few elements. We'll have a look at those as we go round. And you can see, all importantly, at the rear, it's got those quad exhausts, which sound absolutely fantastic. The Aston Martin Sports exhaust, followed with the black finisher pack at the bottom, which then links into a black roof panel and black window surrounds. And then coming down the side, you can probably see it's got this white pinstriping. Again, that is part of the film protection, and there's a little bit of it on the mirror as well. And then more round the front, and the front end of the car is film protected as well. So you can just see that white pinstripe down the bottom, again, which just accentuates the contours of the Vantage, because it does have some incredible lines. As you can imagine, for such a low mileage car, the paintwork's immaculate, and of course having paint protection film applied has ensured it will stay looking like that with use. What a stunning looking car, really, really beautiful. Next up, the interior. So dark and sporty in here. It's got the piano black trim, and then a light cream stitch, which is essentially whitey silver as it comes out. The Aston Martin wings on the headrests, and again in the centre of the seat there with that beautiful stitching. And then looking to the roof lining, we've got black Alcantara, which gives the interior cabin a really sporty feel. And it's got the dark finisher pack on the around the air vents and the paddles on the steering wheel, and indeed around the controls on the steering wheel. So it's got a really dark, moody finish in here. This car's fitted with full electric seats, and they are heated as well with memories. It's got the tech pack, so it has this center pad control for the infotainment system, and full electric steering wheel as well, and cruise control all fitted there, and the glass switch pack on the center. So a really beautiful cabin, a lovely place to spend time. Round to the rear. Let's pop open the boots. So that pops open off a key. Good sized boot in a Vantage. A surprisingly practical car. There's a bit of soft luggage space behind the front seats, and it's got a two-stage rear boot. So here's the core boot, and when the hatch is shut, you can access from in the cabin this space here. And what you can also choose to do is push down this divider, so you've got load space all the way through. Yeah, surprising what you can get in the back of a Vantage. Now, this car comes with 5 years servicing from date of registration, which, as I said, was September 2019, and a 3-year warranty. It's in stunning condition. In fact, it smells like new inside. What a lovely spec car, ready to be enjoyed. So thank you for watching. You can reserve this car on our website.